Alright, guys. Breaking next is break number 105, Optic Contenders. Single box, PYT. Thanks for everybody for getting it filled. Good luck. 6 cards. This is it. All right. For the Patriots, Gronk. And for the Raiders, Derek Carr. Oh, we got a nice one. For the Chiefs, Kareem Hunt. That's a big sleeve. That's a big sleeve. 1 sec. Sick hit. Sick hit for the Chiefs. Boom, baby. And for the Falcons, I think they were in the filler. We got a gold. I love gold. Out of 10. Mr. Riley for the Falcons. Who would have known those $3 teams, right? Just never effing know. Duke Riley. For the Giants, Brandon Marshall. It's a red parallel out of 199. 199. I've got 2 other boxes of this if you want to take another spin. And for the Panthers, Luke Kuechly. MVP Contenders. This one's out of only 25 for the Panthers. Hey, you still get the jackpot too, so you never know. You get the jackpot. You might get a free box. Let's go, Gronk. Get in there, buddy. I know you're a little bit bigger than everybody else. Gronk Carr. Look at this Hunt, though. Duke Riley. It is a sticker, but it's a nice auto. And it's gold at a 10. And Kareem Hunt. Sick. Sickness. We got 4 boxes of this stuff coming up. Alright, let's run the old jackpotty. And if you guys want to do another little 50-50 random, I got 2 more boxes of that stuff in the store. That was a very nice box. Thanks, Danny. I groom it well. You got to keep it trim, buddy. You got to keep it trim. All right, let's see the old jackpot. The old jackpot. Let's take all the 32 NFL teams. It's been a football night, guys. It's been a football night. All right. 32 NFL teams. So now we're on break 0. So the counter's back to 0. 5 times. They're going to match up the top spot. Now, we did this before. We broke it. We hit the jackpot before. And the very next jackpot was at 0. We needed the top spot to match. And sure enough, it matched. So it's not out of the realm of possibilities here. All right, 5 times. 3, 4, and 5. Giants. If the Giants match when this says 10, you get a free box. Chiefs. No jackpot for you. Counter goes to 1. Thanks, everybody.